First things first, we need to install InfluxDB, a time series database that collects and stores the data generated by JMeter. After successfully installing InfluxDB, ensure to start the service to have it up and running. Next, we install Grafana. Grafana is the visualization tool that will create graphs and dashboards from the data stored in InfluxDB. Just like InfluxDB, ensure to start the Grafana service after installation. Now it's time to create a database in InfluxDB for storing the JMeter data. You can do this either using the InfluxDB command line or through the web UI. Once the database is ready, it's time to set up JMeter with the InfluxDB backend listener. To do this, you'll need to download the InfluxDB backend listener plugin and place it in the lib.ext directory of your JMeter installation. Don't forget to restart JMeter to load the plugin. Now, configure JMeter to use the InfluxDB backend listener. This involves adding a thread group to your test plan and setting up the backend listener settings. With all that set up, you can now run your JMeter test. The results will be sent to InfluxDB. Next, create dashboards in Grafana. Access Grafana through its default URL, log in with the default credentials, and add a data source. Choose InfluxDB and enter the URL for the InfluxDB. Finally, create dashboards and explore Grafana visualizations. You can create various visualizations like line charts, bar charts, tables, and more to represent your JMeter test data. Remember to ensure InfluxDB and Grafana are running when you run your JMeter test, and check firewall settings to verify JMeter can communicate with InfluxDB. And there you have it. You're all set to visualize your performance test data using JMeter, InfluxDB, and Grafana. Happy data visualizing!